I'm Jim Huggins from Arlington, Massachusetts. I have been taking classes from you for, I think, on and off for 22 years, and your classes are the highest quality in the business. I'm always satisfied and I always get more than I hope for. This has been a real eye-opening class, and it's given me so much more than I expected. And thank you, and thank you to all the other participants.
Hi, I'm Luana Mobile from Alberta, Canada. And this is actually my first course. When I saw PTSD and COVID, I thought I have to do this since we're all in this mess together. And what I've gained from this course is more of an understanding of globally how this is going to be affecting us. It gave me tools to implement in my practice so that I'll be able to help people on this level. The interaction part of this course is phenomenal. I love the breakout rooms and being able to work with peers, sharing. Everybody added a little bit of their own special sauce to the techniques to make it really their own, which is another way of learning. And so I just want to say that this was definitely worth every minute of time spent. And thank you very much for sharing your knowledge and making it so easy to learn in this format.
Hi, my name is Gavin Hannon from Rockville or Silver Spring, Maryland. And my exposure to Dr. Will is, this is my second class ever taking with him, and I couldn't recommend him enough, especially PTSD and stress. I think everyone deals with unrecognized trauma and stress that they hang on to. So with this course, I learned so much about myself, but also so many tools that will help me, as well as enable me to help other people, which I think is really important. The interactions are amazing with the breakout rooms, and the most important part is he makes it fun. It makes it fun to learn. It makes it fun to interact with and learn new strategies and techniques. Everyone in the course is top notch, and they make this fun as well. So couldn't recommend it enough. And thank you, Dr. Will.
Details, Dr. Will, you never miss the details. Okay, I'm Carrie East in Portland, Oregon, and I'm just concluding the COVID trauma class that we took. There are so many value adds that you're going to take away from any of Dr. Will's classes. I've been in many of his classes. I recommend one and all. You're always going to walk away with the latest neuro research and techniques in NLP, because Dr. Will takes great pride in updating his information and keeping it updated regularly. He creates a safe, friendly environment and allows you to have lots of practice. So you actually build a community of peers and cohorts who support you and lift you. You're going to learn not only from Dr. Will, but also from your experienced cohorts who go through this class with you. Sharing and exchanging of knowledge is always encouraged by Dr. Will. We all learn from each other, which makes it all the more valuable. And finally, he creates a space where it's not only just safe to share, but also it becomes an open forum for engaging in discussions and asking questions and exchanging of ideas. So that is in itself just valuable beyond measure. Final thought is just that the more you engage your passion for learning and growth, the more you realize the gift that you are to the world. It's true. And so in a world so desperate of healing, desperately in need of healing. And then finally, the best part is that the learning happens easily, naturally, and effortlessly because you're having fun. So please don't miss the next opportunity. Sign up for the class.
Hi, my name is Nadia and I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Thank you very much for this class. I definitely recommend this class for learning the new tools, techniques, Interactions were amazing. I had an opportunity to work with Dr. Will and really had a great experience and a breakthrough. He makes it fun and easy, and everybody in the class was contributive. A lot of learning from individuals as well as the breakout rooms, and all the information was very, very useful. So thank you. I definitely recommend everyone to do this class. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Horton. I appreciate and value your teaching skills. That's one of the reasons why I took this class with you. I did get originally certified in NLP in the NGH conference, and I learned then that you were very outgoing and very, not so concerned about protocol or what people think, but you open up the lines of communication, you bring in a lot of examples, and you do encourage great interaction, which helps us all to learn even more, because we learn so much with each other as well as from you. This is the PTSD certification class, I believe, and I'm from the West Gulf Coast in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, Niceville, Florida. And my name's Dina Chapman, and I would love to encourage anybody to take any of your classes, learn and grow, and participate fully. And thank you.
My name is Lisa Hubbard, and I am from Maryland, and I have taken about 3 classes with Dr. Horton. Each class I've taken from him, I love even more. I keep thinking they can't get any better. They keep getting better. This was the PTSD COVID class. I highly, highly recommend it. I got so much out of it. The breakout rooms are amazing. And I actually had some big transformations myself. So not only did I learn many techniques to help my clients, but I also had a lot of internal healing myself. So again, thank you, Dr. Horton, for everything. And I so appreciate this community of people that just lift each other up. It's such a wonderful class.
Hi, my name is Pierre Benoit. I'm from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I've just finished the PTSD COVID class with Dr. Will. Really enjoyed the class, learned some really good techniques that are applicable in my practice and even for myself, and they're really, really simple. Really enjoyed the atmosphere of the class, the rhythm of the class, and so on. And I always appreciate Dr. Will's knowledge and examples that he brings to class so that we can understand better. Thank you very much, Dr. Will.
Thank you, Dr. Will, for a phenomenal class. Really enjoyed taking your NLP for PTSD COVID class, packed with some amazing information, application-based. Really enjoyed the breakout rooms, the interaction, and of course, you generously sharing your knowledge. Really enjoyed it. You are an amazing teacher. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Will. This is Joe Brito. I'm a therapist from Sudbury, Ontario, Canada, and I've just completed the COVID and PTSD course. A great amount of learning, not only from the instruction from Dr. Will, who I've known now for almost 20 years from my original training in NLP and master level NLP. But the learning that's taken away helped me to restructure my own practice in dealing with clients that I have on a regular basis with PTSD, and learning about the importance of the body in the transformative work, which I had not really focused on in my work in helping people. So to really get an understanding of the implication of that has been extremely helpful. I also learned a lot from the interactions and the knowledge, the vast amount of knowledge that was within our conversations, the breakout rooms, has not only impacted my practice moving forward, but impacted me personally. So thanks for creating a platform in which these exchanges could take place and creating an environment for learning that was prosperous.
I'm Jerry Wilkerson from Paris, Illinois, and we're just finishing the COVID-19 PTSD course with Dr. Will Horton. The timing of this course was very critical and certainly essential. Once again, he's presenting cutting-edge topics, techniques, content, exercises, and examples. One of the best benefits of this course is, as practitioners, we experience what we are being taught to use with our clients. So it's really a win-win situation for us as practitioners, and also so we can help our clients. So thank you again. I look forward to attending another course with you.
Hello, I'm Billy Schilling in Alexandria, Virginia, and I've known Dr. Will now for well over a decade, and I've taken probably a dozen or more trainings from Dr. Will, all imparting new skills and in a most insightful way. And this particular class in PTSD that he offered comes at a very important time. We're all dealing with the stress and strain of trying to adapt our lifestyle and cope with sheltering in place or the loss of loved ones. A lot of courses like this that I've taken for professionals are heavy on theory and sometimes light and showing the techniques or demonstrating their effectiveness. But this particular class had a wonderful balance where Dr. Will, in his memorable style, takes some complex things like polyvagal theory and how we deal with stress and put that in terms that anyone can understand, and gave us the opportunity to share amongst ourselves and identify just how effective these techniques are that he's been training for addressing what we've been experiencing and showing how effective they're going to be for our clients. So again, Dr. Will, I salute you.
Hi, I'm Kathy from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and this is my first class with Dr. Will, and I can't say enough about it. I found him on his Facebook Lives, and this course came up, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and take the course. And I can't express how much I got out of this course. Not only do I have a lot of tools in my work going forward, but a lot of tools that will help me also. So I will definitely be taking more courses with him, and I highly recommend him to anybody.
Gloria Constantis from Tarpon Springs, Florida. And I just saw the recording sign go on. So I'm going to say we're all in this together. Yeah, we all have different experiences. I just completed the PTSD COVID stress class. It was very beneficial. We all got to practice NLP techniques with each other. So we learned easily and effortlessly. I would recommend Dr. Horton's class to any coach or hypnotist to help their clients release COVID stress. We're all in this together means that we all have COVID stress. Call me to set up a class or session to release COVID stress or PTSD and sign up for Dr. Horton's class. You won't regret it.
My name is Dina Zolkowski. I live in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, and I were just finishing up Dr. Will's PTSD and COVID stress class. And oh my goodness, I am so grateful for the knowledge that was shared. I've taken classes from Dr. Will before, and I love them. He makes learning so interesting and so fun. And as he does that, he also creates a really safe and comfortable space to personally benefit from the techniques, using the breakout rooms and the open discussion that he encourages among the class members. And that helps everyone to share their wisdom and their knowledge, which always adds to what's being taken away from the class. One of the neatest things I learned in this class was just how intertwined trauma actually is in everybody's lives, and how it changes not only the mind, but the body as well, specifically the nervous system. So to be able to learn techniques that create releasing that stored trauma from the body as well as the mind is just amazing. And that gives everybody more freedom to live the life that we're meant to live, sorry. So thank you, Doc, for sharing your knowledge and your passion with all of us. I look forward to taking more classes.